Hi, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to make the Edo traditional bridal pins, the one you see on Edo Bride. I don't know if you've watched my previous video. I was also using that pins, and if you have not watched that, please check it out after this video. I will be teaching you how to make these pins today. Before we start, I want to use this opportunity to thank those who have subscribed to my channel, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so, because I always say that you will find different things that you will like and your friends may like. So please subscribe to my channel. And these are the pins. So these pins, you can see varieties of these pins. I'm going to teach you something very simple that will make you to want to learn even the complicated ones, because if you start with complicated projects and you are not able to make it, and you said, okay, let me put it aside and I continue in the future time, that future time may take longer than you scheduled. What I find out in my own case is always better to start with less or simple things to motivate you to want to learn more. So this is why I start with just simple ones. This is a beginner project and is very easy. So let's go on to making this. We are going to make these pins today, this particular one. Make sure you have some space left on your rope. Like so, this is it. And if you want to do more layers, it's the same method. It is really simple to make. So maybe I will do another layers right now so that you can see it. And we start with the over beads. I will just put small beads in my needle. So now this is the beads that we have lined up here. So like the same method, you will fold your beads and it's like you want to tie it. just like this. You can see that, and you go again. You tie it. Now we have 2 layers. You tie it and you go again. You make sure that they are almost equal. Let me put it down. They are almost equal. I hope with these 2 videos you'll be able to make these particular pins, and if you happen to make some, please send me the picture on my Facebook page, Meggie Omoregie Culture and Fashion. So I would love to see what you did and also the picture of how you style it. If you want to see how I style Edo Bride in my video, please click the link above and watch it. It was really cool. So thank you for watching. I love you all and see you in my next video.